Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did this green abstract set. It is all hand painted and I just had fun with it. I was like, I want to draw lines. So yeah, they came out so cute, I feel. So I'm going to go in with the Natural Square Long by Apres, and these are the two colors I'm using. I did end up mixing that Screaming Green with like a drop of white just to make it a little bit brighter. But yeah, so I totally forgot to record that, but that's what I did. So when you guys see the lines, it's going to be pretty bright, and I just added like a drop of white. And then I did 3 layers of this green, so this is what it looks like after the 3rd layer. And now it's just artwork, so I'm gonna kind of just let you guys watch. I drew everything off the top of my head. I had like an inspo picture that I saw on Pinterest, but I just liked the lines. I didn't actually go off of that, because I just feel like when you're trying to go off of a specific set, it takes so much longer because you're trying to get the lines exactly the same, the exact same placement, like all of that, and that just takes so long. It's definitely fun to do, but for this set I just wanted to do whatever lines came off the top of my head and just have fun with it, because it really didn't, excuse me, sorry, it really didn't take that long to draw each nail because my mind was just drawing it. I wasn't copying off anyone or anything like that, so it was just a little bit easier. So yeah, I just had fun with this. So if you guys do recreate these, definitely just draw random lines and see what you come up with, because you guys, I did not think this set was gonna come out this cute. But yeah, she's real cute. Really quick, I wanted to show you guys the inspo picture that I saw on Pinterest. This was literally it. I just loved the glitter, and with I can't even talk. I just loved the glitter background, and then the solid, whatever color you choose, lines. I just thought that looked so pretty. I definitely want to try purple, pink, and blue, so be on the lookout for those. I did a black set in the beginning, and I totally did not record it. I was so mad at myself because it wasn't gonna be like the way I did it, and it came out so cute, so I'm so mad. But anyways, I made sure that I recorded every step of this set to show you guys how I did it. I did only record the 5 nails because I recorded the other 5 for Instagram. So yeah. And so one of my biggest tips for this type of nail art, I would say, is to really just take your time and let the brush flow, and it just the lines end up coming out so cool. You can do in thinner areas, thicker areas, play around with the placement. It was just so fun, and honestly, taking it so slow, my brush was just gliding. I know you guys can see that, and I was impressing myself because I was oh my gosh, I have not done line work in so long, and this set right here is just flowing. So just really take your time, close your eyes if you have to, see some lines with your eyes closed, and just draw it. It came out so cute. Okay, so if you're still watching, definitely make sure you subscribe and hit the like button for me, and just let me know what else you guys want to see. I am starting to upload like crazy right now, and I'm gonna continue. This is it. I'm not leaving YouTube ever again. I just been like having babies and I had to take breaks, but I am done for right now. So yeah, I'm back to nail art. I'm back to just having fun, just getting in the zone and just sitting down and painting. Like, oh my gosh, I miss it so much. Okay, so sorry I got a little bit out of the view for this one. I was just like getting so into it. But yeah, so that is how they came out. I am obsessed. I'm gonna quickly top coat, and then off camera I finish filed and boxed them, and I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. I am really obsessed with this, like so obsessed. Also, I was just thinking right now as I was editing, I'm thinking of doing like a gold with gold chrome. I don't know, that sounds so pretty, but I do have a gold reflective and I'm thinking of gold chrome. And if that looks cool, I'm gonna do silver on silver. So yes, stay tuned so I can show you guys how I do the chrome lines. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. But anyways, this is what they look like. This is how they turned out. These are a ready to ship set. I did a small, medium. So yeah, if you guys want to learn more about like small, medium and how to size, let me know down below. I'll make a whole sizing video. But look how pretty that glitter. Oh my gosh, you guys, so pretty. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back soon. Bye.